I'm going to show you how to add location to your snaps on Snapchat. There are two ways to do this. Use a geofilter. Geofilters are location-specific filters that can be added to your snaps. Add a location sticker. Location stickers are another way to add your location to your snaps. Let me show you how to add a location sticker. To add a location sticker to your snaps, open the Snapchat app and take a snap. Then, tap on the sticker button in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the Location sticker and tap on it. If the location sticker does not appear, it means probably you have not enabled locations from Snapchat. To enable this option, go to Settings. Now find the Apps option. Find in the list of apps Snapchat. Tap on Permissions. Find on the Permissions list Location and tap it. Please be sure to have activated the option Allow all the time or Allow only when using the app. Also, be sure the toggle Use Precise Location is activated. Now let's go back to Snapchat. If you tap on the location sticker, a list of nearby locations will be displayed. Tap on the location you want to add to your snap. You can also add text to your location sticker. To do this, tap on the text field and type in the text you want to add. When you are finished, tap on the X in the top right corner of the text field to close it. Then tap on Next to share the snap. How to add a geofilter. To add a geofilter to your snaps, do the same as on adding location sticker. Open the Snapchat app and take a snap. Then, swipe right on the screen to see the available geofilters. If there is a geofilter for your current location, it will be displayed. Tap on the geofilter to add it to your snap. You see now I have the geofilter with my current location. This is how you add a geofilter to your Snapchat. Now let me tell you some tips for location Snapchat filters. Tips. If you are using a geofilter, make sure that it is relevant to the location you are in. For example, if you are at the beach, you might want to use a geofilter that has a palm tree or a beach scene. If you are adding a location sticker, you can also add text to the sticker. This is a great way to tell your friends where you are or what you are doing. You can also add a location to your Snapchat stories. To do this, follow the same steps I described, but instead of tapping on the Send button, tap on the My Story button. Your snap will then be added to your story and your friends will be able to see it. If you are having trouble finding a geofilter for your current location, you can try searching for geofilters by keyword. To do this, tap on the search icon in the top right corner of the screen and type in the keyword you are looking for. A list of geofilters that match the keyword will be displayed. You can also create your own geofilters. To do this, you will need to create an account on Snapchat's Geofilter Studio website. Once you have created an account, you can design your own geofilter and submit it for approval. If your geofilter is approved, it will be available to use on Snapchat. I hope these tips help you add location to your snaps on Snapchat. That's how you add location to your snaps on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.